Next is trigonometric relations. Now when I say relation, I was like, are they having marriage? Because relation is literally there in everything. Yeah, romance, romanship, relationship, love relationship, dating ship. All these the relations are there. And especially when you're putting all this signs and ratios for the marriage. No wonder they put this for the problems. So, their relationship, how we're going to put them in the arranged marriage. Sin A is equal to cosine B. How are they equal? Why are they matched? Why are they perfect? Are they perfect or are they not perfect? As I told before, sin A is opposite of hypotenuse. Let's say opposite by hypotenuse. As for cosine, adjacent by hypotenuse. So, how are they? So given here, sin A, which is opposite by hypotenuse, opposite of A is A, small a, okay? And the hypotenuse B, sorry, C. Now, this cosine B, they taken the B. So what is cosine B actually? Cosine B is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent will be A. As for the hypotenuse, C. So hence they are equal because A by C is equal to A by C. Hence they are perfect to go for the marriage. So happy marriage for that guy. Now tangent A is equal to cotangent B. Seems like all the actors and the co-actors are married. So what? Actor, the tangent, and secant and the sine. So tangent A is equal to cotangent B. Again this B is there, other side A. So what is tangent A? Tangent A is opposite by adjacent. As for the other one, adjacent by opposite. The co is adjacent by opposite, other one opposite by adjacent. So what will be this? Opposite will be A by B. Other one A by B as well, because adjacent of B is A, the opposite B. Hence A by B is equal to A by B. Secant A is equal to cosecant B. I don't think I have to tell that now because you already understood the concept. So yeah, I'm not going to tell the details about this marriage. Happy marriage. Now next is their what is it? Okay, let's put it this way. Sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. Now we're doing the 1 by. The 1 by is coming in this. So why is this reciprocal here? This reciprocal in this ratios. Sin A is equal to 1 by cosec A. So just substitute them with the what we learned before of the sines and cosec. Sin A is A by C. The cosec A by B. So how are they equal? So this cosec is 1 by cosec. So it is, sorry, not B by A, C by A. So 1 by C by A is equal to A by C. This can go up, right? Because 1 by C by A, so this C by A will go up 1 into A by C. Hence they are equal. So this sin A is equal to the reciprocal of the cosec A. So you understood? Some of the ratios can be equal to the reciprocal of some ratios. Not necessarily all the ratios, okay? So here, as I said, sin is equal to the reciprocal of the cosec. And cosec is equal to 1 by the reciprocal of the sin A as well. So hence, the ratios understood for that part. Now, cosec, the cosine A is equal to 1 by sec A. So this cosine is equal to sec. So there is something you can remember, easy to remember. Sine goes with the cosec. the sine goes with the co but not with the cosine. It goes with some other coactor. So it seems like this is cheating on the cosine. Na? Soon let me take this. I want to go on the videos. So anyway, this sine finds another beautiful coactor, goes to the cosine. And this cosine is also going to the sine. But for the cosine, where is this coactor going? To the sec. So this cosine is going to the sec. And the sec is also going to the cosine. So the cosine is equal cosine A is equal to 1 by sec A. And sec A is equal to 1 by cosine. So you got very easy. Other one, tan. Tan and you think it will be the cotan? You think it will be cot? Yes. Seems like this cot will go the wow. So tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So the tan is you are getting tan on the cot. Just think of it like that. Easy thing to remember. You are getting tan on the cot and at the beach. Not on the beach. On the beach and the sun. Yeah. So I think that will be easy for you to remember. And the cot is getting tan under the sun. So you yourself is getting tan under the cot, in the cot, on the cot under the sun. The cot is getting tan under the sun. So cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. Tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. Now another way to express relationships of these ratios. Sin A into cosec A, again is going to what? Cosec A is equal to 1 and cos A into sec A is equal to 1 and tan A into cot tan A is equal to 1. So how are they equal? How is this product equal to 1? How do you solve it? What if they give this problem and you are asked, prove it. Prove this guy is equal to 1. You have to give the proof. You can't tell this product is equal to 1 because I found this in the book. You have to mathematically, physically write and prove it. So, you tell me, how are we going to prove this on the list? Tell me. Obviously, you have to substitute them with the given triangle here. So, I mean, how will you check and prove it? This product is equal to what? Sin A is equal to A by C into sec A is equal to C by A, right? So cut the A's and cut the C's. You will get the 1. So kill the C's, kill the A's, you will get the 1 there. So you got a circle. Of course, the crosser, if you put this, you will get the 1. As long as those guys are equal, okay, for cross multiply. As long as the numerator is equal to the denominator, then yeah, you can cut that guy. Now, cosine A into the sec A is equal to 1. How will you solve that? Again, B by C into C by A. Cut the again. Put the cross on them, you get the 1. Tan A into the cotan, the cot A, cross them. But what is their ratio? A by B into B by A, right? Put the cross, you get the 1. So we got that. Another relationship is tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. So this actor is going with the sine and the sine square. I can't prove it. If I tell them I'm being stupid. Anyway, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. I don't think I have to explain that to you, right? Because I think you already understood the motive. If you want me to explain, then you can tell in the comments. I can explain the next one. My God, I see this solution. Okay, now let's take a question, an example. Say tan A is equal to sin A by cos A tan A is equal to A by B, sin A is equal to A by C, and should I put the cos or cot? Let's take up the cos. Cos A is equal to B by C. Substitute them and find the answer. Let's take it. We got this tan A is equal to sin A by cos A, right? How will you substitute them? A by B is equal to A by C by C. No, B by C. So it will be A by C into C by B. Can't we just cut the C's? Cut the C's, you get the A by B's. So the A by B is equal to the A by B's, which is tan A equal to tan by A. So you got the answer, right? So you already proved it. Should I give a homework? Should I give a homework? I think I'll give the end of the video. Okay, I'll give the end of the video. Depends. Now next is developing the trigonometric ratios. After the solution, why should we develop? Can they develop themselves? Anyway, so this developing. So in this developing, they give that two sides can be given. Well, I guess as like be 5 or 6. So in this, you're asked to find the trigonometric ratios. They give you the numbers, but you have to find the ratios. And without the numbers, you can't find the ratios. You will end up getting with alphabets. And nobody likes getting answers with alphabets, right? Right? Because most of you already learned alphabets in the lower standards. You want numbers, right? You do, right? Okay, hold on. So this developing. Let's take it sin A is equal to something. Let's take it, what is sin A's alphabet ratio? It was A by C, right? So let's take it A is equal to 3. C is equal to 5. It will be 3 by 5. And let B equal to 4. So the C, which is the hypotenuse, is 5. The opposite 3, right? Sorry. Yeah, opposite is 3, adjacent is 4. So you got these A, B, C's. Now sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Cosec A is equal to 5 by 3. Cosine. What is cosine? What is cosine? 4 by 5. Sec 5 by 4. Tan A 3 by 4. Sorry, not cot. Cot 4 by 3. Please substitute cot. So you got what I meant? Now, should we take an exam? Okay, let's take it. We'll add with the Pythagoras theorem. I don't have to explain that because it's kindergarten, right? You already know that, right? The Pythagoras theorem. Not exactly kindergarten. I just meant that as an expression, okay? No offense. I mean, you know the Pythagoras theorem, right? So you can easily solve this. So I have the question here. Write the six ratios, and I'm going to see that I've said that many times. So ratios with respect to angle B for the right angle triangle ABC. Right angle means the 90-degree triangle. Given sin B, okay, you can write this if you want to solve this. Sin B is equal to 3 by 7, and C is the right angle. So C is equal to 90 degree. In order to write the ratios, it is necessary to find the value of the length of the side adjacent to angle B. So the side opposite angle B has length 3 meters and the hypotenuse is 7 meters, where m is any number which is bigger than 0. Since ratios are to be formed, the value of m may not be needed, as 3m by 7m is equal to 3 by 7. So the side opposite and the hypotenuse will be assessed lengths of 3 and 7 respectively. So what is the length of the third side? So Use the Pythagoras theorem. How do you get the sides? A, B, C. So, how do you solve it? A square plus B square is equal to C square. So, this A square plus 3 square is equal to 7 square. What is 3 square? 9. 7 square, 49. So, A is equal to 49 minus 9. What is the answer? It's easy, right? It's A square equal to 40. So, A is equal to root 40 or 2 root 10. Anyway, either way, either root 40 or 2 root 10, your choice. So, now you got the third side. Now you have to find the ratios. How do you find the ratios? Use all those formula I gave, the sine, cos, sec, they're co-actors. And the tan also, don't forget the tan. So here the main angle is focused on the B, angle B. So sine B is equal to 3 by 7. The cosec 7 by 3. Cos B 2 root 10 by 7. Sec B 7 by 2 root 10. Tan B 3 by 2 root 10 and cot 2 root 10 by 3. So you got the ratios? Now I got a question for you. Shall I give you a homework? Because you will have to do it no matter what. I told you now, I'll give you homework sooner or later. Here is your major question. Given right angle triangle ABC and cot A is equal to 12 by 5. Find the 6 trigonometric ratios. And of course all of them are A's, okay? So you don't have to worry. A's. So take all the ratios of A's. I'm not going to give you the answer. Maybe in the next video if you didn't solve it. And of course write the answers in the comments or at least message me.